Now, let us create a new app. It's going to be used to authenticate by registering, logging, and logging out our users. So the app is going to be called Accounts app. So to create an app, I'm going to stop the server by typing Control-C on the command prompt. Then I'm going to type this command, Django-admin start app accounts. Accounts is the name of the app we're going to use for registering our users. Then let me just restart the server again. So after creating the app, I have to register the app in the settings file of the project. So here at the settings file, I'm just going to pass the accounts app like this, accounts. After registering the account app, so I'm going to use these accounts to render templates for the views. So the first thing is to come to the urls.py file of the project, and I'm going to tell this Django project that if you go to the path directory in the base folder, just include accounts.urls like that. So these URLs I have to include it. So in the accounts app, I'm going to create a new file and call it urls.py. That then from in the urls.py file, let me say from Django.urls import path. So URL patterns equals to, now I have to specify the accounts URLs. So the first URL is going to be the register view. Yes, register with the / because it is going to be a directory, a URL. Then views dot register, and the name is going to be register. Now after that, I have to copy this path and create two more of them. So this one, I'm going to change it to login, and here I'm going to specify the login view. I'm not saying logging because we have a module called logging. So if we say logging view, there's not going to be namespace error because we have a module going to be imported called logging. So the same here, I'm going to pass this directory to be login. Then on the register here, I'm going to say log out, and lastly here I'm going to say also views.logout_view, and here the name should also be logout. After that, I have to import the views. So down here, from dot import views. I'm saying from dot because these views are from the same app. So when I come to the views now, let me create this views.logging views. So inside the views, define the first one is register, into brackets request. Then I'm going to return and render a template. The template I'm going to render is going to be inside the accounts app, and the template is going to be called register.html. Then I'm going to copy a couple of them again, so this should be 3 in this case. Let me copy very well, copy it, then I'm going to paste it there and also paste it there. So I have to change this from register to logging_view so that we cannot have that namespace error because we have a module we're going to import called login. So you can say logging view or logging user. Then here on the templates, there's going to be logging.html, and this one is going to change to logout, and the template is going to be logout.html. So when that is good, the next thing is to create these templates now. So in the accounts app, I'm going to create a new folder and call it templates. And in the templates folder, I'm going to create another folder and give it the name of our app, which is accounts. Accounts, like that. Sorry, accounts. Then in the accounts, so we have the accounts app here. Let me come to the project, refresh the folders. So in the accounts app, we should have templates here, and we should have the templates folder. So in the templates folder, we're going to create the first file, which is called register.html, and another file I'm going to call it login.html, and last but not least, we're going to have the last but not least, which is a logout.html. So inside the login template, let me just put HTML tag there. Then inside the body, let me use Django tags, block content, and block content. So inside here you can put something like h1. So this is going to be login page. Simple as that. Now you can copy all of these codes, come to the logout template, paste it, and we change this to logout page. Copy again the old templates files, come to the register file, and specify here by saying it's going to be registration page. Now if that is done, let me see if my server is still good and running. So we have an attribute error, module account.use has no attribute logout view. So let me check the URLs here, views.logout view, login view. Let me save, come to the views.py. So we have logout view here. Good, the server is good and running. So let me first try to access the register page. Good, it is there. The next one is the login page. Good, it is there. And the last one is going to be logout. Good. Now after accessing those pages, the next move is to come and write some codes on the views here. The codes are going to be used to register our new users to the admin panel. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.